I decided to go online one more time at a very critical point for the crypto market. In previous live stream we were discussed situation with SHIBA, DyDX and Bitcoin before critical moment of wealth movement and before of trying of whales to push it down. But at the moment SHIBA is going pretty well. Let me show it, and here we are. We break real critical upper resistant level, and now we are going up with a speed of 0.4% per hour, and we have as you see a better process of growing than Bitcoin and then Ethereum. So guys, it's total like full pictures of what is going on right now on the market with SHIBA. I recommend you to watch Shiba Inu Token live channel, where you can see 24 hours per day the current status of Shiba token movements. It's a channel of Josh Finance, and I recommend it for you to see how the process is going, and it's really great. So another point, let's see how the trading view for Shiba looks, and to see where we are going after such a brilliant smashing up the resistance on the level of higher bottom. So in general we are going to the point of 950 Satoshi, and it's great, guys. We are open the you see the general channel, like channel of free market. I would say that nobody pushed down us at the moment, and we are going pretty with a pretty good speed. And here you can see the current price. Trading view show us which price it should be according to Fibonacci golden levels, and we going accordingly to this Fibonacci golden cross levels. And you see it's a current price for SHIBA, and we are going up. And you can see here that there is a lot of buying orders at 758, so we broke the resistance which were on 749, something like that, and we are just going forward. And let's see just a little bit more details about how this process is going. I have opened Coinbase trade platform with Shiba USD market, and you can see in the real life time the processing of formatting current market view, and we see that we have quite a strong resistance, like a bottom level, our basement on the level 757, and we are formatting this green candle with 757 758 ranges. So guys, it's just absolutely great, and we are moving forward pretty well. So what's next, what to expect on this market, and will Bogdanov try to stop us? Of course he will try. Of course whales and scared people from India or from other destinations will try to sell their token as cheap as possible, but just try to be a rationalist and try to hold your pocket when it's tough. Try to have some balls and try to protect your money, try to protect your choice. If you choose some asset, don't be panicking if it's have some temporary problems, because after period of this temporary resistance and temporary problems, the golden cross and open market will do everything for you, even what you don't expect. So guys, just be patient and don't forget that we had such a great price for SHIBA before, and it was like, let me show you, it was like 550, 570, 600 Satoshi, and just right now we are going forward with pretty quick movements, as you see, everything is going up according to let's say SHIBA God plan, according to Fibonacci levels and according to open market, open digital assets market. And because of mooning Bitcoin, we are going pretty well. When we stream it, when I was on stream before, Bitcoin was struggling, and right now it's going pretty fast, but not so fast as SHIBA goes. So guys, let's find some more details about how this process is going. I use CoinCodex site to see the current process, and you see in live regime that we are going up, and you see on 7-day marks there is also quite good high progress, and we earned more on SHIBA than ATC earned for this 7th day, as you see it here. And right now we are going a little bit slowlier, but still in almost the same range as Bitcoin assets, and quite better than Ethereum going, and better than paper money. And so let's see what will be next, and I expect it will be goes fine. We see candles with a range 756, 757, and right now it's a critical resistance level and critical point for us. We hope that we will at least stay at the same place and protect this point. So let's see how it will be going. And according to trading on KuCoin using trading view, I see that we are going pretty well, and this candle on the level on 755, 756 is showing us that we are going in the actually pretty good market. Unfortunately there is no gold world, so I just push something like that to the SHIBA chart, and we are going pretty well. So guys, what to expect after that? We will see. We are in the uptrend chart, but with some possibilities for restriction of this movement, and with some possibilities to pushing up back to 7, let's say 740s level. But still right now we are going pretty well, and I think it's a 754 plus level, and it's going pretty well. And as you see, market whales don't know what to do, and we are open channel till 753. We have to inform our community about it, and I am not trying to blame someone or something. It's really 753, and a main battle will be just there. So let's see what it will be in next couple of oh my god, a couple of hours. I saw something green here, and it was really very great. So the market is trying to find the real price, and it looks like the price is 754 at least, and could get even more, 757, and it's just great. It's just great. So what about trading on KuCoin? I use 4 hours chart at that moment, but let's see 1 minute chart. It gives us more information, and as you see, we successfully bounced from 752 level, and we are going till 759 really, and it's should be like that, because we are going with a pretty good tendencies, with a pretty good speed. So yes, it's still pretty good, and we see that right now paper money is showing quite a good result, and we hope that US dollar also will be safe. But I want to remind you that after 1914 year of previous century, we don't have golden standard on US dollar, and I think on all government banknotes. It's just a piece of paper without any guarantee, which rich bankiers printing, and they have unbelievable huge possibility to print as many paper money as they want. But crypto assets looks really quite better at the moment, and I hope that these tendencies will be grow up, and we will see the real movement of people all over the world with a cryptocurrency natural revolution, and with getting crypto assets as a real valuable like a gold standard for our economy all over the world. So El Salvador was just first in this range according to countries, but we hope that it will continue with the next regions. So guys, I am from Ukraine, and Ukraine parliament also voted for being with cryptocurrency, and right now in Ukraine we have a law to regulate this market, but it's actually doesn't work at the moment because nobody knows how to deal with that. But still it looks like Ukrainian government also looking for mass adoption of Bitcoin, as it was done in El Salvador in the beginning of September this year. So guys, right now we are already at the bottom of our trading channel, and as you see, it's very important to protect this level 752, and of course whales are trying to make this trend going down, and we will see how the trades will go on that point. And as you see, we stopped growing at that moment, and we looks like we met some resistance. So at the moment we need to protect our positions and to protect at least this 752 position, and I think it's quite doable. Let's see what we have here. It's a 7451 point, and I think we will definitely push it, and we'll go forward much faster. So guys, let's see. And okay, so we see that we already have a basement on level 752. That's okay. And on Binance Finance we can see the real trading volume process, and there are a lot of buying orders on the 0.751, and it's looking like we are ready to break this resistance on 752 level, and it's just great. So guys, I will not anymore look into live chat. Sorry for interrupting you. Maybe it's just a little bit annoyed for you, but it's important for me to share positive waves with Shiba Inu community and with guys who are trying to earn on crypto markets and protect their money. So we see pretty good candle at the moment, and it looks really great. So let's relax a little bit and just watch what it will be in next couple of minutes. So yeah guys, we are again in the uptrend channel, and we are going pretty fast. So yeah, now we need to break this level 753, and it looks like we can reach 757 easily, whereas main resistance is sitting up. But I like these 7th green candles, and it looks pretty optimistic for me. Okay guys, let's see the speed of Shiba token right now. It should be a little bit better than it was before. We break main resistance, and it looks like the pressure from higher levels are pretty tough, but still we are in the positive move, and it looks pretty good. And it looks like Bitcoin started to go forward better. Yes, it's 24 hours better than paper money rate. It's 1.6% better than paper money at the moment, and Bitcoin is going pretty well. So we see here bullish flag on the BTC price chart, and I think Actually, we have all possibilities to reach on this bull run the main target at the moment, 50k for Bitcoin, and we see double bottom, and Bitcoin is jumped from it to the moon. So guys, that's great. That's great. We are like in the open space right now, open market, and let's see how it will go. So the main attention to Bitcoin right now, because as you see, there is a lot of wealth movement which try to stop this process of growing for Bitcoin. Maybe it's just a resistance, but it looks like Bogdanov team is working hard to push Bitcoin down. What we see on our 1 minute chart, so it looks pretty good. Let's take some 1 hour candles. Yep, it looks great. It looks great, and it's very important here to put some green candle, but as we see at the moment, we have main resistance for Bitcoin on the level of $47,650, and it's just some trying of getting price down, but only market will form the real answer on how it should move forward. And you see that already price for Bitcoin is equal what we have on the market, and it looks pretty good. So it's time to just have a rest and see what will be in next 30 minutes. Yep, baby, we are slowly but surely we are growing, and right now the market was stopped. Needs some correlation, need to find strengths on the level of basement, and we will see. It looks pretty good, pretty good for us. So guys, let's move again on SHIBA performance on coin codex, and yep, it looks pretty good. Slowly but surely we are going forward, and it's time to get 24 hours green point, and we already like almost get it, but still need to move forward. So let's see. Oh my god, you see there, guys, a chart. Wow, Coin Codex is just a great platform. It shows you current status of your crypto assets according to Bitcoin history. So according to that, price for SHIBA token on exchange was about $500 comparing with Bitcoin price. Then it was started in 2009, if I'm not mistaken, or 2011, and right now we have comparing price with Bitcoin. When it started, it's $157 per one Shiba token, and it's pretty good. So we had like a Coinbase exchange hype, then it goes down, and here we settle it up. So it's our real price in comparing with Bitcoin history. And guys, it looks pretty awesome, so we need to just go forward. Okay, I need to share this information with chat. Just a second. Okay, some good news. So far so good, guys. And right now let's see another token which we were discussed in the previous live stream, and I said you that DyDX it's quite a great project, quite strange, quite a strong exchange market for the trading Bitcoin and crypto assets features, and it was listed on exchanges just at the day when Bitcoin jumped down on 10% at the day of El Salvador makes his decision to move on Bitcoin his budget. And it's quite a strong sign for DyDX. They don't afraid to do it, to list their cryptocurrency at the day of market down. And as we can see on 1 week trend, it looks absolutely as bullish as possible, and only market will show us the real price for these assets. But it looks like it should be much higher than these points of 1450. But don't forget just that we are on the beginning of upper trend, and we see here double bottom, so I think it will be quite a good progress according to DyDX price chart, and I expect progress at least on the previous high resistance level at the 1840, and we will try to break it up. As you see, we are going pretty well on 7 days chart. The minimum before it was $11.01, and right now the minimum is $14.53, and it's a quite good progress, guys. It's definitely quite good progress. So I think that DyDX now will show his real strengths, and you see that for last 7 days DyDX token grown up 24%. It's better than BTC and almost at the same level of ETC, Ethereum. As you know, Bitcoin is more stable, more like slowly growing but surely growing. Ethereum is like a crypto silver. It's not so stable as Bitcoin, but it has quite more volatility, and that's why price here for Ethereum is pretty good. Or maybe, guys, it's a very vice versa. its price comparing to Ethereum is better 25%, and comparing to BTC is better than 19%. So need to realize, need to find what does it mean. Maybe it's just crypto assets real progress time frame. So we are going better than BTC definitely here. And you see that DyDX is going almost 1.1% per hour, and it's quite a big amount. So we are in the open space right now without restrictions, and in one day our price could definitely rise up to 10, 15, 20%. We will see. So at the moment we can say that we are officially in the up trading line after breakout of 9 September, when this coin dropped down 10-13% because of El Salvador Bitcoin adoption. So it's just good as it could be. So let's see one more time. Is it all stable with SHIBA? And on CoinMarketCap is quite difficult to see this statistic, so that's why I recommend you to use CoinCodex for this 1 hour progress data. And okay, we are started slowly going deeper to the channel, but it's okay. We will see how it will look, and let's find this data for DyDX and we'll compare. DyDX looks even more better. So you see that it's almost 2% growth comparing with paper money. And we'll see how it will go. So here you see statistic for DyDX for 7 days. It's actually pretty good. And here we see price closing history by level for DyDX. So it's almost $15. It's 14.5, and it looks like it's a crucial moment, like a point from where DyDX will continue grow, and we will see rise more over than $15 to the real market price for these assets. And I think for DyDX the real price should be 25 at least. But on the market you will see much lower price because it's over flooded with whales movements. So let's see here DyDX. Wow, 3 big candles. What it was? It may be some old information, I don't know. Okay, so it looks that whales are trying to finish this progress, but we will see how it will go. So now it will be battle. Wow, it looks good. It looks just great. And you see that the main resistance level for DyDX at the moment it's 15.56 dollars, and we are in the uptrend channel, and we can move pretty well here. And as I told you before, DyDX is quite undervaluated on Binance Birch as well. And let's see what our 15 minutes chart is showing. Okay, it's showing that we are in the strong uptrend. It's a new bottom, 14.6, and it looks like we are going to the new high for DyDX. Yep, new low. We have lower low, and wow, it's on fire, guys. It's on fire. So let's see what will be next. Okay, it's our main resistance, and we should take, like, I think we should catch this mark, almost $18. We touched it previously, but let's see, maybe we will touch this resistance level again. And the main resistance level is here, 15.9. If we will bring this main resistance level, we will be officially in the uptrend, and right now it's still going forward, but we need to break this crucial level of resistance for DyDX. Okay. Okay. So we need to go up to this level to show new historical price movement. But even if we will be in this channel, it will be pretty good. We can slowly but surely grow. We will see what it will be on the next candles. And as you see, it looks pretty bullish. Pretty bullish. Yep, it looks good. It looks good for DyDX as well. Of course, there will be quite a lot of resistance, and I think you can see on this graph that according to Fibonacci levels, we should back to 11.12 to finish this double mountain and rising sun between two mountain bottom. But you know, it looks like we will put a new level of minimum. At the moment we have lower low and lower high, I think it will be, and it's yep, it's a lower low, lower high, and it's a strong, very strong bullish sign. And if we will stay on this level, we will definitely will go up very quickly. Sorry guys, 1 minute period. Okay guys, so I described for you general situation for trading for SHIBA, SHIBU and DyDX. Let's continue. Actually, nobody pushed up us back. Let's see what is going on the SHIBA channel on YouTube. And it also market is settled up, and it looks pretty calm and pretty well. Okay, it was previous. Okay, I don't need to write anything because there is a big green candle. We need a live channel on YouTube for live price of DyDX as well. So it's going pretty well right now for SHIBU. And maybe let's see how it looks for DyDX on other markets. So DyDX, it's a DeFi project. It's a DeFi exchange, and as you can see here, you can stake. You can earn on long-term deals, and on derivative, and it's a governance and staked project with a huge potential, and you can see that users have possibility to trade here on futures, on Bitcoin, Ethereum, all main crypto assets. And here we can see project which is still growing. For 24 hours, Avalanche showing pretty good result, 5.59, and Cosmos show pretty good result as well. It's growing per 10% and 10% per 24 hours. It's pretty good. It's pretty good. And almost all project which is already settled up on DyDX exchange are showing green profit on 1 hour time frame, except Cardano, Cosmos because of his quite high growth, and Litecoin. And you know, as I see, Litecoin will disappear soon from the top of crypto assets list, especially after this FOD Walmart Litecoin situation, and it just not so good with for a PR of these assets, and market dump was quite huge on Litecoin, and I personally believe on that Walmart news and lost some amount of money. Actually not lost, but buy Litecoin. And now, right now I have it in my pocket, and as I see, it is not growing in the terms of 1 hour, but we will see how it will go next. Okay, so DyDX, it's a quite strong DeFi, decentralized finance system startup from Silicon Valley, and it just looks great. Okay, it's a Discord channel, or yeah, it's just a forum, and here you move to exchange. So I think we will definitely discuss this exchange later, because it's quite interesting. I never trade on futures and I'm a little bit afraid of it, and I think you can go forward with futures if you are showing positive balance when you're trading just in market without these shoulders. And okay, how things is going for DyDX is going pretty well, but there is some okay, there is some whales movement, or maybe just market shows it. I think it's just a whales movement. And guys, when the price for Bitcoin will settle down, I recommend you to buy DyDX on the dip, but it's like not financial advice, it's just my prediction on the future growth of this project. But this low is pretty good. It's pretty good. And as you see, Bogdanov team trying to dump it, but it will be quite difficult for whales to really dump such a great project. And as you see, we are going in the uptrend level. Okay, looks not bad. And what about volume? Volume is 221 million of DyDX tokens. And right now people just settle up their prices, but it will be green candle and we will go upper. Or let's see what it will be. Yep, it's a green candle. We need to just break this resistance at 14.3 level, but no, it's not actually resistance, it's just a price movement from people who are selling in the dip, and it's okay, it's okay. I think we will definitely go into this lower high, lower low channel, but because of market is down priced, we'll see will it be possible or not. Okay, in Binance they have pretty nice chart, and here we have our previous high level. Okay. Oh. Okay. Finally. And as you see, it's a higher high, higher low. It's just a golden cross level. Wow. It looks like Loch Ness creature, and it's a good sign. Okay, so I think DyDX will try to go up after quite long down period, and we will see. Okay, so Bitcoin started to bleed. Oh, huge whales movement. And Bitcoin is struggling right now. Okay, let's just open market for DyDX. We have this market for DyDX on Binance. Let's open FTX market. Maybe it's better. Yeah, it looks pretty good. It looks pretty good. So, we are jumped off, or just trying to jump it off from this higher, lower high channel, and now just trying to settle up. We are still in the uptrend channel, still there. You can see it here. Actually, it's our main level, and we need some protection from people who will buy DyDX at the moment. And right now it's all about market, and we just need some time for setting it up, and everything will be visible better in next 10-15 minutes. Okay, so new low for Bitcoin. We bounce it up from the basement level. Okay, it's definitely lower low, lower high level, and Bitcoin could blow up from this really hugely. Don't sell right now anything, any coin, Bitcoin especially, SHIBA, DyDX as well. Just try to get market possibility to settle up. Okay, and what about SHIBA live trading? At the moment it just settled up, volume is dropped down, and we will see. Actually it looks pretty good. Okay, K resistance here we have at the level of 753752. Let's see how it goes on Coinbase. Yep, it's a green candle on 753 level, so it's pretty good. And for DyDX, situation is also looks pretty well. And it also could form this double mounting pattern, but it looks like it will go forward and will not push it down. And right now, why there is a lot of trying of selling position on DyDX, because whales are trying to push it price down to form this double mounting picture. Yep, for buying on the low. But if holders will stay, will hold their assets, will definitely goes up. So as I see, the real price for DyDX right now should be 14.5, and this trend should go up, definitely should go up, but we can see some manipulation. Okay, actually this channel looks pretty well, and it looks like a real market price. So we will see how it will be. Okay, looks like I am still online. Looks like okay, and let's move forward. Okay, so Bitcoin is getted to the uptrend channel, and we are officially in the up channel again. Okay, and wow, it should be huge. Should be huge movement. Wow. So we are in the uptrend channel as well. So you see there is a lot of guys who are working like bots for this guy team, and they just trying to blame people at the some critical points of trading. So don't just believe them. Usually they are getting pretty calm when is going well, when things are going well, and when market is bleeding, they try to punish people. They try to get them into a rush, into panic, to sell their crypto assets. Don't do that. Buy low, sell deep, and you will be wealthy. And new year you will meet with a crypto gold in your pocket. Okay, so yeah, DyDX was struggling last couple of days. Not so many exchanges at the moment for DyDX, but we have these pairs of DyDX USDT on Binance, Huobi Global, FTX, KuCoin, Gate.io, Kraken, Polonix, OKEX, Uniswap, Lbank, SushiSwap, Crypto.com, Bits, XT.com, 1inch Exchange, Wu Network, CoinDC, Cryptology, BKEX, etc. etc. So, like, mass adoption will be later. So let's see trending coins. It's always interesting. So Gala is trending because on the last 7 days it grows up on these digits, and just absolutely amazing amount, almost 500% of growth. That's why it's bleeding right now, but generally it looks pretty good. Solana lost some price points, but in general it shows just great rate great return. ROI is 116% per 30 days return of investment, and it's just pretty good. That's let's say you will have like second salary if you will choose such a project as Solana, Cosmos, DyDX, SHIBA, and all other good tokens. And I also want to show you another nice project. It's XDB. It's very good project from the real world. Digital bits. And it shows also quite a good progress. During last couple of months. So let's see, 6 months. The growth is just awesome. The growth is awesome. 641% per 6 months. The growth of digital bits XBD. For last 3 months, it's just crushed the market with return of investments for 3 months as 1,826 US dollar in paper money, and even better comparing to USDC. Oh my god, it's just awesome results. For last month, more than 200% ROI. Last 7th day, the ROI is 37.5%, and it's just amazing, and digital bits price is up 200% against Ethereum, and almost 200% against Ethereum, and 209.4% against Bitcoin. It's a great real life project, and you could find it on KuCoin exchange, Bittrex, Uniswap, Hopbit, and DyDX. So after this HDB token will list all of some big players on the exchange markets as Binance, Coinbase, Huobi, etc., it will definitely triple up at least. And let's find some information about these digital bits. They have real life very good project which is connected with some fun tokens. With some fun tokens, they made token fun coin for Verona. Oh, sorry, for Roma. You see this company Digital Bits plus the Tara Labs. They create this Roma token, and it just looks pretty good. So fans can earn money on their token and support their teams with Digital Bits project and with XDB coin, and it's great. It looks just amazing, really. Jose Mourinho, happy. Wow, it's wonderful. It's wonderful. So Digital Bits, it's a company which rules this XBD token, and uh, it's really goes pretty hot for them. So they have Verona in their list and Inter Milano in their list. You see the new form of Inter, and one of its sponsor, it's Digital Bits. It looks amazing. It looks just amazing. And you see one of the main sponsors for Roma, for Inter. It's a company which tokens of which you can trade on your exchange. So the future is today, guys. Really. That's why this project is going up. That's why this project is so wonderful. That's why it looks pretty great. Wow, it's amazing. It's just amazing. Wow. You can see it even on this graph. But volume is not so big at the moment. As you see, whilst as usual, whilst from Bogdanov team try to dump project when the critical point is going to be, and project lost their price. So at the moment you can trade Digital Bits with a significant price of 600 cents, and it's just amazing price for such a great coin. And as you see, this price is growing up only from last 3 months. So guys, we are still very early on the market of cryptocurrencies, so just don't miss your chance to find a good project on the market till this year will finish, and till all crypto assets holders will go to the moon with their investment. Try to pick a nice project and you will be wealthy. So you see stable performance, like almost 40% per 7-day return of investment, more than 200% per 1 month ROI, and significant percent of ROI for the 3 months. It's 1800%. It's amazing. It's like, oh, it's just amazing. I like this circulating supply, 77.01 million of XDB, and I'm happy that I have XDB in my pocket. Let's see a little bit higher picture. So yeah, it's definitely will moon. and as you see on 2 hours chart, it's a big green candle, so we could break this channel 635 tokens easily. Just need some volume, but volume will come, because sooner or later people realize that this price is good. I like it. I like this project very well, and Roma is just looking amazing. Wow, it's like a main sponsor. It's a main sponsor, Digital Bits. Oh my god. Sold out of merchandise, purchased with XDB. So fans can buy new merchandise of Roma using their XDB token. Roma Club main global partner, Zitara. Wow. Total of 36 exclusive items, 11 match wars shorts, 25 club rings went on sale. It was in 29 of July. Wow. Looks just great. Wow. So yeah, so Digital Bits, it's a real project world, a real project ecosystem for purchasing real world goods, and you see that it's like really successful project. And these tokens of Roma, as I know, they are also on the market. Yeah, Roma Fund token. Yep, as you see, Roma Fund token is on the market, but I don't know, is that connected somehow with Digital Bits, or is there another partner? I don't know, but it looks pretty bullish actually. Wow, looks pretty bullish. So crypto market is growing, and we are happy people that we already have these real world projects here in crypto assets blockchain network, and it's just amazing that you can buy them, you can trade on them, and you can earn money not only from the results of your trading, but from market growing and project growth on natural market. So it's great. So guys, it looks like that's all from me at the moment. So let's be in touch, and take care.